PNW is celebrating.
Start recording. This is a big catfish. Oh. Well, I haven't thrown this thing in. I honestly don't even remember the last time I went river fishing and threw this. It's been flooding so dang much. I do got some people over there. I don't know who, obviously, but I don't think they're fishing, which is good because they're in the good catfishing spot. They're just talking, I think. I hope. Got some decent water flow, honestly. Okay, yep, y'all are able to see that. Time to see if this thing's tangled or not. Alright, that one has potential. Oh, let's go! We got some carp. Holy cow! We got some big carp, really. Ugh. Right in the mouth, you stupid thing. Yo, I just realized, how am I gonna cross back in this mud while holding all them? Oh, y'all tangled me up. You silly sons of guns. Alright, where would the shiners be? That was a decent cast. And I fell backwards. What's with all the carp? Oh. Yo, y'all see this? Y'all see that line? No way, you fell right out in the bucket. I think we got more than enough, but I want to get some shiners. I can always throw them back. I got my one rod with the shiner. And this guy has been stuck there now for a minute. Are we serious? You were just taking that bell like crazy. Give him some slack. Well, whatever it is, he's moving now. Here we go. Ain't no way. Oh, I love gar. I really do love gar. I got big weights on there, and I know this tiny current is not doing that. That bell's hanging loose now. I assume that's a female bald eagle, and the male is on that now. Did y'all see that? And it just stops. It just completely stops. Oh, I hate gar. What? It just ripped it right out of this thing's mouth. What the heck? Y'all see what it done though? They're chewing on this thing so heavily. You know how I said this one's in a snag? No, there's a fish on here. And I was just checking it. It was just Just chilling there. I don't know what it is. Big, oh, it's a catfish. Oh, this one just went completely slack. All right. I don't know how well y'all can see this. Hopefully good. I'd say this is at least a 5-pounder though. At least. And yeah, he wasn't even gonna let me know he was on there. He was just chilling with it. There we go. Let's get a release going. Without slipping in. That is. Oh my gosh. You get a big enough one, those could snap your arm off if you had your hand in there. Cool. We are finally on the board. Let's go. We still got him. Whoa, this one is... Holy cow. This is a good one. Really good one. Or a lot better, I should say. Oh my gosh. $6.14. Nope, no you don't. I'll let y'all look at them as we walk down. Oh. Perfect timing. I better wash my hands. I had a toad, another good one, put me in a snag, and now that one's going off. Fishing, man. There's a gar. And this thing's gonna take me into a snag as well, unless I get him beforehand. Which I'm pretty sure I'm already in a snag. Start recording. This is a big catfish. Oh. Frick. Oh. That's... Just wait till you see how big the bait is. That's how I know this was a big catfish. Just wait. That was a big catfish. Right back to the same spot. No, I saw that. I really should be tying down there. Oh! I swear if I lost this thing... No way! What? They keep taking me into snags, dude. It's every time I leave right here, too. I snapped off, too. That might be a wrap because I haven't eaten lunch and it's way past it. So I'm starving.